Now we will solve the median of the group data. Like you can see, the class interval is given: rainfall 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. In our second column, we have the number of days, that is the frequency: 5, 10, 15, 10, 6, 4. First, we will calculate the whole frequency, that is summation f, or we can also say n. For in the question, you will be getting only these two columns. Okay, while solving the answer, you will have to make one column, that is a cumulative frequency. Before making the cumulative frequency column, we will add the frequency and we will find the summation f. Here the summation f is 50. Now we will move to the next step, that is calculation of cumulative frequency. So here I have calculated the cumulative frequency. First is 5, second 5 plus 10, 15, next 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 6, 46, 46 plus 4 is 50. So here we can see that summation f and the cumulative frequency, at last it matches. That means the calculation is correct. So as our total, that is cumulative frequency, and this is 50. 50 means even number, right? So for finding the median class, we will use the formula n by 2. N by 2 because it is even. If it would have been odd, I would have used n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so because it is even number, I have used n by 2. So here n is 50 divided by 2. So after solving this, we get 25. That means 25 we will have to see in the cumulative frequency side. Okay, so where this 25 will come, just check. So it will come after 15 and before 30. So after 15 means it won't be coming within 15, right? So the next one 30. So we will select this whole class as a median class. That is 20 by 30, 15 and 30 is our median class. So this is our median class. Now we will solve the median, calculation of the median. Here the formula is totally different. So let us see what is the formula for calculating the median for the group data. So the formula of calculating the median is L plus n by 2 minus CF, that is cumulative frequency, by F into I. Now let us see what does this all stand for. L is the lower limit of the median class. We have found the median class, right? Now the class interval we have got in the median class is 20 by 30. So this is lower limit, this is upper limit. So here the lower limit is 20. That means we have L is equal to 20. Next, F, frequency of the median class. So our frequency is of the median class is 15. So next we get F is equal to 15. Next is the cumulative frequency of the pre-median class. Now we have found this 30 as the median class, right? Pre-median means a cumulative frequency before the median one. So here it is 15. So this is the cumulative frequency, okay, that we will use for calculation. So CF, that is cumulative frequency, is again equal to 15. Now the last is the class CI, that is class interval. So here not CI, actually it will be I is for class interval. Here class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, means we are using a class interval of 10. So I is equal to 10. Now putting all this in the formula, let us see what I will get. So the formula is M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. L is 20 plus n by 2 we have got 25 minus CF is 15, F is 15 and I is 10. Now we will do the calculation. So 20 we will write again 20. 25 minus 15 is 10. Divide by 15 into 10. Okay. Then again 20 plus this 10 into 10, right? 100. Divide by 15. Again 20 plus, if you will divide 100 by 15, you will get 6.6666. So we can write 6.67. So at last the answer will be 26.67 mm, because it was rainfall, so it is in millimeter. So this is our median.